My name is Dr. Al-Taweel. I'm one of the interventional cardiologists here at CLS Health. Today we will be doing this procedure called TAVR, Transcatheter Aortic Valve Replacement, where we replace the main aortic valve of the heart with a minimally invasive procedure. So this is a 3D model of the heart, and we're going to show you what we're going to be doing today. The heart has 4 chambers. The main one is the left ventricle. This is the chamber. This is an inside look of it. The main valve that comes out of the left ventricle is the main aortic valve. This is where we have folks with aortic stenosis. The problem with the aortic stenosis is a very progressive disease, and when folks already start having symptoms, we know that it's going to only progress for worse. People start having syncope, they start passing out, they'll start having chest pains and shortness of breath, and with time this will result in the heart getting enlarged and fails in its pumping capacity. This is the valve that we're going to be using today. It's a stented valve, okay, and these are the liquids of the valves. They are inside here. This valve will be crimped and compressed over a small balloon and a small catheter that goes from that small incision from the groin, and we go all the way across the aortic valve. We inflate the balloon. This anchors the valve stent into place. We leave the valve in and we take everything out, and the valve will be functioning immediately. This is our final result when everything's out. Taking a picture, you can see the valve. The stent is in a very stable location, no leakage, and we're done.